Let's face it, backpacking gear can get expensive. The market is saturated with flashy products boasting ultralight materials and so-called revolutionary features. But let's be honest, some of these aim to solve problems that don't actually exist, or worse, are a complete waste of money. The good news is, you don't need to drain your wallet to hit the trail with confidence. In this video, I'm sharing 15 budget-friendly backpacking essentials, each under $20 that actually deliver. From lightweight upgrades to trail-tested tools, these hidden gems will help to make your next adventure safer, lighter, and more comfortable. What's up, guys? Hope you're doing well out there. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Dave. And for my returning friends, it's great to see you again. Let's dive in. One of my favorite go-tos on muggy and buggy hikes for when I can't seem to shake the incessant buzzing of gnats and mosquitoes that seem to follow me for miles is my head net by Sea to Summit. Lightweight and pint-sized, this little bundle is worth every penny when my sanity is being challenged. Simply uncinch the netting and slip it over your head. Cinch the clothes. I find it forms best and allows for better viewing when worn over a hat. The only downside to wearing the head net is you'll look like a total dork. Worth it! Another annoyance you may face while out crushing long and rewarding hikes is dreaded and irritating chafing, often around the nether bits. Be not discouraged, my fellow wayward adventurers. Bodyglide Outdoor is a well-suited and fragrance-free preventative solution for this awkward problem. Simply uncap and apply before hitting the trail. Application on already irritated skin can cause a bit of a burning sensation that should subside in a minute or two. While technically not a piece of gear you'll find yourself taking out into the backcountry, the GGQ Small Food Scale is perfect for dialing in your ultralight loadout at home or for cataloging gear weight on lighterpack.com. USB rechargeable and easy to use, the scale offers grams, ounces, and pounds weight units, as well as a tare weight option. Backpacking in cold and windy environments can lead to some uncomfortably gnarly lips. The HeySkay chapstick holder helps me keep my lip balm within quick reach for times when repeated applications are necessary. Let's lighten things up a bit and take a look at our next piece of gear, the NU11 Clip-On Cap Light by Nitecore. USB rechargeable and boasting up to 150 lumens at max brightness, this little guy is conveniently designed to slip onto the bill of a hat and can be tilted downward up to 90 degrees. We can also toggle at night vision saving red mode and enable a motion activated on-off setting, a perfect companion for illuminating around camp or venturing on night hikes. The next two pieces of gear are brought to you by the 22nd element on the periodic table. First up is the titanium long handle spoon by Toaks. Naturally rust-proof and durable, the spoon offers a page width of meal scooping power for when you're digging into a steaming rehydrated helping of Mountain House Chili Mac. Next we have the ThousWinds. ThousWinds? Titanium foldable chopsticks. However you phrase it, the pair can be a clean alternative in food-to-mouth transmission when compared to the use of nasty trail fingers. Today, we're ditching our shoelaces. Lock laces are a great alternative to standard knot lacing and are installed much the same way. Simply adjust the squeeze toggle and cut any excess as needed. Once installed, you'll be able to flip in and out of your boots without fuss while maintaining a secure fit. I've hiked close to 200 miles in my current pair and I haven't had an issue yet. Lock laces are available in several color options to best fit your style. Dipping into a bit of DIY and hitting the lowest costs on this list, I'm grouping the next two items together. First up, I have a PVC cap I've drilled into and attached a short bit of paracord. Using this cap, I can further drive my tent stakes into the ground without repeatedly killing my hands in the process. I also have a 1.5-inch metal washer I've attached with a bit of Z-line tied in a cow hitch. This makes for a convenient tool for opening and securing my bear canister. Maintaining a food scent and odor-free camp while out in bear country can be crucial no matter your method of storage, be it a bear hang, a canister, or an earth sack. Our dangerously cuddly friends are estimated to have a smell sensitivity up to 2,000 times better than that of us humans. Coupled with an often inquisitive nature, you can guess why broadcasting last evening's rehydrated chili mac could summon unwanted guests. Simply open the seal at the top, insert any scent-emitting refuse or products into the bag, and reseal. For use on uneven ground, or when using your portable camp stove in windy conditions, the Fire Maple foldable fuel canister stand makes for a quick added support. Just flip out the folding leg supports and attach to your fuel canister. Snap-in slots support standard canister sizes. For hygienically minded adventures far from the convenience of a shower, Pact brand body wipes can serve as a great alternative for removing the day's grit and grease. Simply add a bit of water and watch the magic go to work. Each body wipe expands up to 12 inches squared and is textured for better scrubbing. Pact wipes are fragrance-free and can decompose entirely in 95 days. For clean ingredient skin protection against annoying mosquitoes, Murphy's Naturals Repellent Balm Stick is an easy and mess-free way to ward off would-be buzzing bad boys. DEET-free, the balm is made of pleasantly scented ingredients such as lemongrass, rosemary, cedarwood, and peppermint oils. Simply uncap and apply to needed skin areas. If you find yourself out in the wild and without a traditional water filter, Aquatabs Purification tablets can be a great and lightweight means to ensure collected drinking water is purified against harmful pathogens such as Giardia, bacteria, and viruses. In most cases, simply add 1 tablet for up to 2 liters of water. Mix well for 10 minutes and allow the mixture to stand for 30 minutes prior to drinking. Now, it wouldn't be a proper gear list if I didn't send you off with a parting bonus item. Windproof, waterproof, flameless, and boasting the modern flexibility of USB-C. The LCFun electric lighter is a lightweight and rechargeable alternative to standard fuel lighters. Simply flip down the safety and push the side to flip open. Press the power button to emit a colorful twin arc of fire-starting plasma. So that's all I have for now. What do you think? Is there anything I haven't covered you think should be on this list? Drop a comment if you do. I'd love to hear from you. And as always, stay safe out there, guys.